Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to cut video on a Capcut. So first thing we're gonna do is having the project. So I want to start the new project by using the stock videos that provided by Capcut. I want to use scenery and choose several video here with the same ratio to make it easier. Okay, I think I got 6, and after we finish, just click add. Okay, now we already have the video, but the video is quite long. For each video has different lengths or duration, so we can cut this video by just clicking the clip until the clip is in active mode, like that. And now we can scrolling into the left side to find out which position that we want to cut the clip in. So let's say I want to have 3 seconds video or 3 seconds length for each clip. Make sure you see here is 3 seconds. And after you're done, you just need to go click the split and delete the rest of the clip. And then it will be work the same way for the next. So make it stop at 6 seconds. Click the clip until it is in active mode, split and delete. Do the same way for the third until the 6th clip. Okay, hold on, almost there. Okay, and now let's check it. So now we already have the shorter video compared to the previous one. That's all the way how you cut a video on a Capcut, guys. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.